Now, your CBS 47 pinpoint weather forecast.
Good morning, everybody. We're keeping an eye on some of those thunderstorms a little bit to our south. I know we have raisins on the ground that are drying, so not the time that we want to see any sprinkles for the valley, and looks like we won't for now. Here's a look at that line of storms being pulled through the Bakersfield area, north of Tehachapi, actually out the 155, the 178 there, but just south of the 190 in the Camp Nelson area. So from Porterville north into the foothills and mountains there, we are staying dry at the moment and not really expecting these to move into our area too much today. Should be dry until tomorrow night when we have another chance of storms. Average temperature is 94 degrees. That's dropped another degree, but our temperatures are still pretty hot. We hit 99 degrees yesterday, and the record's 107 for today, nowhere near that one. And temperatures will be a little bit warmer, though, back to the low 100s in Fresno with high 90s for the rest of the valley. So as mountain storms should clear out today, it's going to be hot and sunny for just about everybody. A little gusty near the crest of the mountains, and then more storms by tomorrow night. So here's a look at why, exactly what's going on. We've got the tropical system John just to our south, and some of that tropical moisture is actually being pulled through our area. That's because high pressure spins clockwise there and pulls in some of those clouds for us. A low pressure staying off the coast, so that's not going to bring us any cooling for now. And then as that high pressure slides back overhead by Friday, that'll pull in that drier air out of the southwest. But for now, we are seeing those clouds being pulled through our area, and that does equal some thunderstorms by tomorrow. Here's a look at our satellite, and you can see how it's mainly clear, but there's that one band of clouds and a little bit of thunderstorms coming up from down south. But otherwise, we'll see sunshine for today and high pressure mainly in place. 68 degrees in Fresno right now as we overlook the valley there. Nice and clear. Winds out the east at 3 miles an hour, and temperatures will top out today at 100 in Fresno and Merced, 101 Coalinga. High 90s for the rest of the valley floor today, 97, 98, 99. In the foothills today, you're in the mid 90s for most areas, 95, 96 for Mariposa, Oakhurst, and Albury. High 90s further south. And the mountains today will be mainly in the low 80s around Huntington and Shaver, 88 in Sequoia, 95 in Yosemite. Overnight lows nice and cool for parts of the valley that are outside the city of Fresno. Still at 71 overnight in Fresno. We're in the low 60s for the rest of the valley, mid to upper 60s for the rest of the foothills, and we'll see 50s in the mountains overnight. Our air quality today is going to be moderate for most of the valley, including Fresno, so everybody's in the moderate range today, and our Boz pollen count is in the low range as well with elm and weeds in the air. So our 7-day forecast looks like this, right around 100 for the next few days, high 90s by Friday all the way into the weekend. Slight chance of valley sprinkles Wednesday night into Thursday. Again, not expecting anything too heavy, but there is